Hey lovelies, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the latest videos and updates to my channel. Happy New Year. I'm going to be reviewing Karity Cosmetics today. This is a brand that I originally heard about from on Instagram, and I saw them in my feed. They popped up, and then a friend of mine messaged me about them, and I had been meaning to check them out. I bought some of their lippies and some of their eyeshadows, and they had a really great Black Friday sale, and so everything was like $4 or something like that, $5. So I purchased 3 shadows and 3 lippies from them. She's gonna be doing her own. I told her she can play makeup with me today. So she's gonna be putting on eyeshadow and all of that. So I'll be bouncing a little bit. Let's talk about we're gonna start with the lippies. We're gonna talk about the packaging. And so this is the Karity Lip Lock. It's liquid, I guess a matte finish. It's like an ultra matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. And I got 3 colors. The color that I will be reviewing today, Tea Leaves. It's like a mauve-y color. Snuggly, it's like a lighter pink, rosy color. I love pinks, I love mauves. And Soho. So I love a deep, dark plum lip. I like the packaging. I believe that it comes, it looks like a higher end. Like it looks like I pay more than $4.50. I think they're only about $6.50, $7, like $7, $8 per lippy anyway. So it is a matte, and so anytime I'm using matte, and I'm just using a little cocoa butter stick to kind of prep and put on my lips so that it's a smooth transition. I'm gonna start with Snuggly, this rosy pink shade. And the lip liner, I don't recall Karity having a lip liner, or maybe they did, I can't remember. I should probably buy those if they do, but anyway. So I'm gonna be using the Essence Long Lasting Liner in the shade Plum Cake to line my lips. So that's what I'm going to be using.
I want you to breathe me, let me be your air, let me roam your body freely, no inhibition, fear. How deep is your love? Is your love?
Today I went to a makeup class earlier, which I'm trying to decide. I filmed a little bit there, but I don't know, my view was weird how I had my phone set up because I didn't have my tripod with me, and so the view was kind of weird. So like half my face, like it's weird, and I've been working on getting my angles and all of that better so that I can bring a better quality of video to you guys. So yes, this is the color Snuggly. When I first tried these lippies on, I felt like it was dry and kind of like sticky or gluey or something. Like I didn't like the formula. But once I figured that out and I realized, okay, I need to make sure my lips are exfoliated first, and then moisturize them. So I just put a little bit of cocoa butter because the coconut oil was super like thin and oily, and then the shea butter that I typically use on my skin, that was too thick. So the cocoa butter is the perfect consistency is what I noticed after I've exfoliated my lip. So I just dab a little bit of that on, and now I don't, oh, I got glitter coming out my nose. Now I don't feel that same gluey, drying feeling. Always layer your mattes with something. Put something underneath before you put your lips on, girls, because it's gonna make a huge difference. Let me see what you got going on. Okay. Cute. There is Tea Leaves. Tea Leaves is a ultra easy lip liner. Ruby Kisses to line. I love these Ruby Kisses liners. They're easy. They come with a sharpener. Oh my goodness. I don't have to worry about. Don't you hate that when your pencil gets dull and you realize you need a sharpener and you're scrambling for one? Or like, oh my goodness, I just love these. And they go on super easy. And they're only $1 at the beauty supply. Like, if it's affordable and it works, it's a winner in my book. Okay, so this is the shade Mauve. I like brands who stand for something. Or if it's a small brand, I like to read the story. I like to know where they started. So Karity, to me, has a very interesting story because I believe it's a husband and wife. Yes, a husband and wife team. And it, from what I was reading on their website, the wife was doing her makeup, ran out of a pencil, and her husband, she sent her husband out to the store to go get the lip pencil or eye pencil, whatever it was, and realized it was a pretty penny for it, and was like, okay, there has to be a cheaper way where women can still indulge and have their beauty products, but that it be of good quality and a great affordable price. And so I really like that. It seems like a really good story. The husband and wife team and the inspiration. I really love this color. Tea Leaves. This one still feels a little bit more sticky and tacky than the other one. So I've noticed that this is like the second or third time that I've worn this one, put this one on. So I noticed the difference between the formulas. I don't know if maybe when the coloring came, but overall for $7, $8, it looked great. Karity lip color that I am going to apply is the Soho. Now this one, when I saw it, I love a dark lip. Something about a dark lip just feeds my spirit, y'all. Like, I just love a dark lip. I believe it's sexy, it's sultry. It just instantly transforms you. Like, I had a whole new attitude when I put on a dark lip. It's like mysterious. All this color like around a couple weeks before Christmas. I wore this in my family Christmas photo shoot, and I got a lot of inquiries about what was on my lip. This is the lip I was wearing. Yeah, put those in there too. I love the way they're packaged because they're foil pans, so you can put these in your kit. And I was just looking for specific colors that day anyway, so I was like, okay, let me try their individuals first. They do have a couple of palettes, but I decided to, try the individuals first. And then for two, my skin is sensitive, so I always try small first with the new brand that I'm trying, and then I work my way up. Also, I forgot to mention that Karity is vegan and cruelty free. And so for brands that are safe for the environment, safe for us to use on our skin, and not harming the animals. So that was also important to me. When trying out new brands. And with the Sanguine, is what it's called. called Rude Girl. Rude Girl, Rude Girl. All right, let's see. Get that. Okay. Okay. So that is Rude Girl. Love that color. Okay, and so those were the 3 colors. I was looking for earthy tones and different looks, and so those were the 3 colors that I decided to try. Overall, I feel like they are very pigmented. You will need a base though. You will need a base because that just takes everything to the next level. And I believe the eyeshadow individuals were like $5 as well, and I think they're normally like $6 or $7. So once again, very affordable, cruelty-free, vegan, which really matters to me. And for the price, I mean, you know, you can't beat it. Customer service was well. I didn't have any problems shipping. So yeah, what's that? So that is Rude Girl, Panama Gold, and Sanguine. And so shipping was, I believe, I can't remember if it was a free shipping or like $6 shipping. Shipping was affordable. It got there pretty quickly. I mean, I got the update via text message, which I like to track my package and all that. So you can sign up for text updates. But overall, I would recommend Karity Cosmetics. I feel like the pigment is good for the price. They had a lot of colors. I love their story. I love that their brand is vegan and cruelty free. And they're affordable. So, you know, check them out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope, you know, that maybe I've inspired you to go and try some new brands and to think about the brands that you currently use and branch out to more cruelty-free and economical brands. I don't believe you have to spend $20, $30 for an eyeshadow for it to look good. Until next time, lovelies, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Mwah.